In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the combination switch on this Buick Enclave. Let's get into it. Underneath the steering column, we're going to take these screws out, use a 7mm socket. Grab this panel, just slide it down, just pop it out, just like that. And just grab the top panel, and we'll just slide this up and take it off. Now we're gonna disconnect the connectors. There's a little tab right here, push down on that. If you need to, use a pick or a screwdriver. Then the gray connector, same, just push down on the tab, slide that off. And then there's two buttons, one here, and then one underneath, just push those. And then the whole switch slides right out. Take the new switch, line it up, lock that in, take the connectors, lock that in place, and then the other connector, lock that in place. Take the top cover, line that up. You can lock it in to the right side cover. Take the lower cover, line it up. Push those two together, lock the top in, and we can put the screws in. Get those all started. Snug those down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.